Don't know why, but just always it's funny to me as I'm running. What the hell does this look like? Just cracks me up, folks. So I run my 2 miles a day. Leave a comment. Tell me what that reminds you of. Nice brisk day in the Carolinas in the 40s. Have a good day. Just on my 2-mile journey through the neighborhood. Run a couple miles a day, folks. Get the heart rate pumping. Access those chemicals in your body. Beautiful brisk day in the Carolinas. Watching nature. Just me and my son. This always makes me laugh. I don't know why, but I think it's funny. Let me know what you think this is. Again, it's just me and my shadow, folks. That was such humor. Get up there and move. It's the greatest thing in the world, just to be able to move. Thumbs up, subscribe, share the information, leave a comment. Things that make me laugh. There's just signs all over the place. What is that? It's kind of odd, but it's amazing. You know what the sun does in nature? I just noticed that. What could that be? Have to get my wife to investigate that one. Thumbs up, subscribe, share, leave a comment. What do you think that could be? And if you like my humor, no one likes my humor like I like my humor. Wife just thinks I'm stupid. But I didn't stage that. That's the sun and whatever's out there.